Malacca, also known as Malacca, is a state and historical city in the southern region of peninsular Malaysia. It is located on the west coast facing the Straits of Malacca, which is an important shipping route between the Indian and Pacific Oceans. Malacca has a rich history that dates back to the 15th century when it was founded by Parameswara, a Sumatran prince who converted to Islam. Over the centuries, Malacca was ruled by various empires, including the Portuguese, Dutch, and British, all of whom left their mark on the city's architecture, culture, and cuisine. The historic city of Malacca is a UNESCO World Heritage Site renowned for its well-preserved colonial buildings, traditional shophouses, and multicultural heritage. Visitors can explore landmarks like the Stadhuis, a red-painted Dutch administrative building, the Afamosa Fort, a Portuguese fortress, built in the 16th century, and the Cheng Hun Tang Temple, the oldest Chinese temple in Malaysia. Malacca is also famous for its vibrant food scene, which blends Malay, Chinese, and Indian cuisines. Popular dishes include chicken rice balls, laksa spicy noodle soup, satay grilled meat skewers, and sendal, a sweet dessert made with coconut milk and shaved ice. Geography. Malacca is a state located in the southern region of peninsular Malaysia, approximately 150 kilometers south of Kuala Lumpur. It covers an area of 1,664 square kilometers and is bordered by the states of Negeri Sembilan to the north and Johor to the south. Population. As of 2021, the population of Malacca is estimated to be around 932,700. The majority of the population is made up of Malays, followed by Chinese, Indians, and other ethnic groups. The Shore Sky Tower Malacca is a 43-story skyscraper located in the historic city of Malacca, Malaysia. The tower is part of the Shore at Malacca River, a mixed-use development that includes a shopping mall, hotel, and serviced apartments. The Sky Tower is the tallest building in Malacca and offers stunning views of the city and the Strait of Malacca from its observation deck. The tower also features a revolving restaurant, Sky Delight, which serves a variety of international and local cuisine. Menara Taming Sari is a 110-meter tall tower located in the heart of the city of Malacca, Malaysia. It is a revolving tower with a viewing platform that provides a 360-degree panoramic view of the city and its surroundings. The tower's design is inspired by the traditional Malay weapon, the taming Sari Keris, which is a symbol of strength and bravery. The tower is equipped with a fully air-conditioned viewing cabin that rotates 360 degrees in a circular motion, taking visitors on a 7-minute ride that showcases the beauty of Malacca. The viewing platform is situated at a height of 80 meters above ground level and provides visitors with stunning views of the city's skyline, including landmarks such as the Straits of Malacca, St. Paul's Hill, and the Malacca River. History. Malacca has a long and fascinating history dating back to the 15th century when it was founded by Parameswara, a Sumatran prince. Over the centuries, the city was ruled by various empires, including the Portuguese, Dutch, and British, each of whom left their mark on the city's architecture, culture, and cuisine. In 2008, the historic city of Malacca was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Landmarks. Malacca is home to numerous historical landmarks and cultural attractions. Some of the most popular include the Afamosa Fort, a Portuguese fortress built in the 16th century, the Stadhuis, a red-painted Dutch administrative building, and the Jonker Street Night Market, which offers a wide variety of food, crafts, and souvenirs. Other notable landmarks include the Malacca Sultanate Palace Museum, the Baba Nyonya Heritage Museum, and the Christ Church. St. Paul's Church is a historic church located on top of St. Hall's Hill in the city of Malacca, Malaysia. The church was originally built by the Portuguese in 1521 as a Catholic chapel and was named the Chapel of the Mother of God. It was later renamed St. Hall's Church when the Dutch took over Malacca in 1641. The church is known for its beautiful architecture and historical significance. The building is made of red bricks and features a statue of St. Francis Xavier at the entrance. Inside the church, visitors can see several tombstones of notable figures from Malacca's past. Dutch Square, also known as Red Square, is a historic town square located in the heart of Malacca City, Malaysia. It was built by the Dutch in the mid-17th century and features a cluster of historical buildings painted in a distinctive shade of red. Dutch Square, also known as Red Square, is a historic town square located in the heart of Malacca City, Malaysia. It was built by the Dutch in the mid-17th century and features a cluster of historical buildings painted in a distinctive shade of red. The main attraction in Dutch Square is the iconic Christ Church, a Protestant church built in 1753 that still stands today. Visitors can also explore the Stadhuis, a former Dutch administrative building that now houses the Museum of History and Ethnography, as well as other nearby landmarks like the Clock Tower and Queen Victoria's Fountain. The square also provides visitors with a space to relax and enjoy the surroundings, as well as opportunities for shopping and dining at the many shops and food stalls that line its perimeter. Overall, the square is an important focal point of Malacca City. Melaka River is a river that flows through the historic city of Malacca, Malaysia. It is about 10 kilometers long and originates from the foothills of the nearby mountains. The river played an important role in the city's history as it was once a vital trade route for the Malacca Sultanate and later, for European colonial powers. In the past, the Malacca River was used as a main transportation hub for traders and merchants from all over the world. It played a significant role in the development of Malacca as a major trading center in Southeast Asia. However, over time, the river became heavily polluted due to industrialization and urbanization. In recent years, the Malacca River has undergone a significant transformation through a river beautification program. The program includes cleaning up the river and its surroundings, improving the river's water quality, and adding walkways and bridges to enhance accessibility. The Malacca River Cruise was also introduced as a tourist attraction, providing visitors with a unique perspective of the city from the river. The Malacca River flows through the heart of Malacca City and is a major landmark in the area. It is surrounded by several iconic buildings and landmarks such as the Stadhuis, the Porta de Santiago, and the Christ Church. The river also separates the city into two parts, the Old Town and the Modern City, which are connected by several bridges.